Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, at the first you have to open Play Store on both devices and get application to transfer data. So for example, let's start from our ASUS and let's type Send Anywhere. This is the application that we will use. This is the full name of this app and also the icon of this application. So let's install and do the same on the second smartphone. Right now, let's open this application on our Zenfone, and we have to accept all the permissions that pops on the screen. And as you can see, we can transfer photos, video, audio, apps, contacts, and also other files that we have on the smartphone. But on our Zenfone, we have to go right here for the receive. Open on the second device, and the same, just accept all the permission of term of the service and privacy stuff. And right now we have to be in the send menu, and right now for example, we can send maybe some photos. So I would like to take this photo and maybe also this screenshot. And it's only example, so I would like to pick only these two files. If you want to get any others, you have to simply select them like that. If you select everything that you want to send, you have to click right here on the send. Then this key you have to input right here. So let's do this. Then click receive. And as you can see, it's finished. So right now we can open our gallery. And here we are able to find these two photos that we sent from this Android smartphone to our ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.